Welcome to Dataport Analytics. So in this video I want to show you how you can use SCISPACE. This AI research tool combined with Google Scholar AI extension or Google Scholar extension to conduct a comprehensive research and come up with accurate and complete sources. So let's assume you are researching something and SciSpace has given you its outcome or its sources. So you can see in this case I'm researching something to do with models. So you can see here we have deep learning models. We also have statistical approaches. We also have transfer learning techniques. So when you research something, SciSpace will always give you the source. So you can see here it has given me this illustration of this discussion, and then it has given me the source. So when you click this source, Google et al 2024, when you click on it, then you'll be taken to the actual article. This is the actual article. These are the authors of this particular article. There are quite many. So now you can also see the journal in which it was published. You can also see the year in which it was published. Then you can see the title of the journal there in blue. So now to be able to get the citation or the reference of this journal, you click this icon, cite this article. When you click on that icon, then this pop-up will appear, whereby now you have the citation there. That is the reference. Then we have the in-text citation here. This is the in-text citation. This is the reference. So this reference is presented in APA 7. So you can also have different other citations, but let's stick to APA 7. So in APA 7, you are required to have to cite this. This is the authors up to there. This is the title of the article up to there. So this is the title of the journal in which it was published, and then we have the DOI. But if you look clearly, there is something else that is missing here. So if we can check the formal or the appropriate APA reference, you can see we have these numbers here. So this is generally the volume number of the publication. Then this is the issue number of the journal. This is the volume number of the journal. This is the issue number of the journal of that particular article. And these are the pages. That article was published in between page 1 and page 13. So if you check this information, that information is missing in the reference that has been provided by the SciSpace. So now what do we do? So what you do is that information can be given by the Google Scholar. So what you have to do is that you have to install this Google Scholar extension in your browser. Maybe you are install this Google Scholar extension in your browser. So what you do is that you come here. So you have this as your article. You click on this DOI link, then it will be directed to the article. So the article will open on a new tab. So when you click this link, this article will open in a new tab. This is the article now has opened. So what you do is that you highlight this title of the article, and then you click your Google Scholar icon or extension, then you click cite. When you click cite, then the APA reference of that particular article will be presented. For the Google Scholar APA reference, you can see now we have that particular information. But for the case of SciSpace, we do not have that information. That information was omitted. So what you do is that you can copy that reference from the SciSpace, then you can paste it on your reference section. Let's say this is the reference that we have copied, but this reference is missing some information here. the information about the volume, the issue number, and the pages. So then you come back to your Google Scholar. You come back to your Google Scholar. You click your Google Scholar that way. So when it is open, you click Cite, and then you can copy this. You copy this because this one was omitted in the SCISPACE reference. So you copy that. You copy like that, and then you come and paste it here like that. Then you put a full stop, and then so this one is a complete reference. This one is a complete reference. It has everything that is required. It has the authors, then it has the article title, then it has the journal, then it has this information that was previously omitted, the volume, the issue number, the pages, and then we have the DOI. So that is how you combine, or that is how you use the power of the two sources, the SCISPACE and the Google Scholar icon, so that now you can generate a complete reference for your research. Thank you.